here today with the Ladies Circle of Hyderabad on the inauguration of their new booklet. This booklet seeks to raise money for supporting schools and education systems, education structures in Hyderabad. It is a very noble cause these ladies of the round circle of the Ladies Circle is taking up. I wish them all the best. They hope to raise a lot of funds to add to some schools or infrastructure. As a police officer and as a government servant and as a woman, I know that education is very important for our children, for our country, because without education we get stuck where we are. With education we can bounce out of our circumstances and become much better. So every child has a right to education. By the fact that these ladies are supporting education, they are putting an important brick into the infrastructure of the country. I congratulate them and wish them the very best. Thank you.
Okay, this booklet has been actually launched for the upliftment of the underprivileged and the poor people, and we Ladies Circle India, this is one of its kind that I have launched in such a big way that the coupon booklet, all the good brands like from the Neeru's Tiohar, Karishma and Company and Bombay Farming Company, all of the women entrepreneurs which I have tried to push and get them on the board to give a best discount possible for my initiative, so that they in return my members, whoever or the fellow members who gets the good discount offers, and we are selling that booklet for only for 2,500 rupees. In turn we are going to get almost 2,50,000 benefits. So it's in the supporting women entrepreneurs, supporting for right for education makes a major value and the change in the society that we want to create through Ladies Circle India. నేను చాలా ఎఫర్ట్ చేసిన ఇది బుక్లెట్కి లాంచ్ చేసి మొత్తం ఈ హైదరాబాద్కి 50 టాప్ బ్రాండ్స్ నేను తీసుకుంది అండ్ మోర్ దెన్ 15-20% నేను డిస్కౌంట్ ఉంది ఉమెన్ ఆంట్రప్రెన్యూర్షిప్కి సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నా. ఈ డిస్కౌంట్కి 2,500కి ఒక బుక్లెట్కి సేల్ చేస్తా. మొత్తం ఈ మనీ పోతున్న స్కూల్స్ డెవలప్ చేస్తా. హైదరాబాద్కి ఒక్కొక్క చాలా జిల్లా పరిషత్ స్కూల్ ఉంది కదా, రైట్ ఫర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ నేను మెయిన్ మోటో ఇది ఫండ్ రేస్ చేస్తా.
So I am National Vice President of Ladies Circle India, and I'm so glad in Hyderabad the event has been taken place by the chairperson Karishma. This is the fundraising event done to raise fund for building school. We as organization Ladies Circle India, we build school pan India across. We are geographically divided in such a way that each and every state and city has been covered. So our major goal, this is a ladies organization, and this is a major goal is to cover all the social community services what we can do, including education, including women welfare, including child welfare and everything. And in the future we are even connected with Roundtable India for the reason, and we are vastly divided, and we are around 4,000 to 5,000 members across the country. And LC India is also an international organization where European, Mediterranean and African region are also part of our society. So she can take over about the movement.
Yeah. So Karishma has got with this very interesting initiatives. She has launched a booklet where you are getting the discount vouchers for various brands. Most of them are women owned, and the proceeds from these vouchers will be used towards building schools for the underprivileged. So I would request everyone to actively participate and contribute towards this cause.